In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use BlocListener. Previously, we learned how to use Block Builder widget with its properties. BlocListener works similar to Block Builder, but unlike Block Builder, which has a builder widget as a child, BlocListener is just a widget that listens to the changes of state. Block Builder listens to changes of state and return corresponding widget, but BlocListener does not return a widget. Instead, it takes action according to the changes of state. Today, we're going to learn about BlocListener. BlocListener is quite similar to Block Builder. It listens to changes of state. But what makes difference between Block Builder and BlocListener is that Block Builder returns widgets based on app state. So if the app state changes, Block Builder is going to re-render the new UI, but BlocListener does not re-render the UI, but execute function. It may change UI, but it's not rule of BlocListener. Let's look at the code. We're going to change the code that we have used for Block Builder. Instead of Block Builder, we're going to use BlocListener, like this. With BlocListener, we need to add listener action, like this. You can set a navigation action or any other action, but we're going to just print out the counted value on console, like here. Then we're going to set a child of BlocListener, like this. We're going to just show a message at the center of screen, like this, just simply. Now let's run this code and see what happens. And I already run this code to save your time. Even though BlocListener does not read a floating button, like here, it corresponds to tap a floating button by printing out counted value on console. So let me show you. When I tap the floating button, the changes states is printed out on the console. Difference is that we don't see changes of UI, but as you can see on console, states are keep changing, like as you see. Today, we've learned about BlocListener. Unlike Block Builder, which listens to changes of state in stream and returns appropriate widget, but BlocListener listens to changes of state and take appropriate action. If you want to return appropriate action with taking action with the changes of state, then you can use them both. By using what you have learned about block patterns such as Block Provider, Block Builder, BlocListener, you can try to build more advanced app by yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.